Good morning, class 5th. Take out your English grammar book. Yesterday we had done singular plural. We will revise it once again. And then we will start writing. Take out your English grammar book and one pencil. We will revise the singular plural once again. I had told you some of the rules, but I also told you that once you will be habitual of reading it, you will memorize it and you will no longer be required to learn the rules. So we'll revise it once again. Goat, goats. Horse, horses. Bee, bees. You all have to speak with me. Street, streets. Blade, blades. Heap, heaps. Student, students. Bangle, bangles. Cap, caps. Rose, roses. Camel, camels. Handle, handles. Dress, dresses. Bus, buses. Glass, glasses. Box, boxes. Class, peaches. Bush, bushes. Watch, watches. Army, armies. Baby, babies. Body, bodies. Berry, berries. Cherry, cherries. City, cities. Fairy, fairies. Reply, replies. Story, stories. Come to the next page, page number 35. Bay, bays. Boy, boys. Day, days. Donkey, donkeys. Joy, joys. Key, keys. Ray, rays. Tray, trays. Way, ways. Calf, calves. Leaf, leaves. Loaf, loaves. Shelf, shelves. Thief, thieves. Wolf, wolves. Knife, knives. Life, lives. Wife, wives. Chief, chiefs. Dwarf, dwarfs. Grief, griefs. Gulf, gulfs. Hoof, hoofs. Believe, believes. Roof, roofs. Save, saves. Serve, serves. Buffalo, buffaloes. Echo, echoes. Hero, heroes. Mango, mangoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Torpedo, torpedoes. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Volcano, volcanoes. Bamboo, bamboos. Piano, pianos. Dynamo, dynamos. Stereo, stereos. Photo, photos. Zero, zeros. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Man, men. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Woman, women. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Deer, deer. Fish, fish. Sheep, sheep. News, news. Dozen, dozen. Moose, moose. Come to the next page, page number 36. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Sister-in-law, sisters-in-law. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Daughter-in-law, daughters-in-law. Stepmother, stepmothers. Passerby, passers-by. Father-in-law, fathers-in-law. Brother-in-law, brothers-in-law. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Stepson, stepsons. Alright? Understood? Now come to the exercises. Page number 36. Take out your pencil. You have to write the plural form of these words written in italics. So we say a banana, but a bunch of bananas. So the plural of banana is bananas. We say a branch, but a cluster of branches. We say a bee, but a swarm of bees. You all have learned these singular plural in the last 2 pages. We say a shoe, but a pair of shoes. We say a sheep, but a flock of sheep का plural same रहता है, it does not change its spelling. We say a key, but a bunch of keys. Write down. We say a cow, but a herd of cows. We say a wolf, but a pack of wolves. We say a box, but several boxes. After reading it 5 or 10 times, you will be able to write it on your own. You don't need to remember the rules. We say a monkey, but several monkeys. Written? Come to B part. Write the plurals. Animal, animals. Horse, horses. Match, matches. Goose, geese. Calf, calves. Man, men. Thief, thieves. You'll remember it when you'll read it 10 times. Photo, photos. Story, stories. Valley, valleys. City, cities. Deer का same रहता है, deer, deer. Ship, ships. Louse, lice. Eye, eyes. Fairy, fairies. Fox, foxes. Crow, crows. Tooth, teeth. Cuckoo, cuckoos. Family, families. Note it down, children. Note it down. Now, what you have to do in your homework, on page number 37, you will do the C part. This is the plural form and you have to write it singular form. But before doing it, you will read these 2 pages at least 10 times. 10 times you will read it loudly. When you'll read it, you will memorize it and then you will do this part C. Alright, you have to write the singular form. Now exactly in the D1, these are the words written in italics. You have to write the entire line like this, but you have to change the words in italics and singular. Like the wolves will become wolf and geese will become goose. और बाकी sentence वही रहेगा. Nina bought toys and dresses. Nina bought toy and dress. Clowns made people laugh at the circus. Clown made people laugh at the circus. So you have to change these sentences into singular. Alright. This is your homework for today. You will do C part and D part on page number 37 and send it to me. Alright. Bye bye.